Nigeria's busiest international gateway, the Murtala Mohammed International Airport in Lagos, is currently undergoing one of the biggest overhauls in the country's aviation history. Built decades ago and overwhelmed by modern passenger and cargo traffic, Murtala Mohammed International Airport is being rebuilt and modernized from the ground up. Today, we are taking you inside the project, how it's being done, how much it costs, why it matters, and when it will be completed. My name is Emmanuel and this is my YouTube channel. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. Now back to the video. The Murtala Mohammed International Airport was originally constructed in the 1970s and expanded in later decades, but much of its infrastructure has long been outdated and overstretched by today's air traffic demand. Passenger number and cargo volumes have soared far beyond what the old buildings and systems were designed for, leading to congestion, inefficiency, and persistent complaints from travelers and airlines alike. Airport experts had raised concerns for years that the existing facility could not deliver the seamless experience expected of a major global hub, from check-in and immigration to baggage handling and boarding. Now, what does this project cover? In mid-2025, the Federal Executive Council approved an ambitious plan to comprehensively overhaul Murtala Mohammed International Airport with a focus on rebuilding Terminal 1, strip the old terminal back to its structural frame, replace all mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, convert it into a modern terminal that meets international standards, expand aircraft apron space for larger wide-body planes, build new access roads, bridges, and passenger walkways, add a new boarding bridge for smoother boarding and disembarking. Also, for the Terminal 2 expansion, expand the newer terminal capacity, improve passenger flow and airline operations, add facilities to support increased international and transit flights. For the security and infrastructure, a 14.6 km perimeter fence with CCTV cameras, intrusion detection, solar floodlights, and patrol roads, modern command center for real-time security monitoring. Also for the support facilities, upgraded apron areas, taxiway improvements, airfield to modern standard, temporary facilities to keep flights running during construction. Now back to the cost and how much is it? The total budget for the Lagos Airport renovation and upgrade has been estimated for 712.26 billion, making it one of the largest single infrastructure investments in Nigerian aviation sector in recent memory. This figure covers reconstruction and upgrade of Terminal 1, expansion of Terminal 2, apron, taxiway and access road work, security and perimeter fencing, operational infrastructure upgrade. The federal government says the airport generates over 200 billion naira annually, and it expects the investment to recoup within 3 years of full operation due to increased capacity and commercial revenue. The project has been awarded to China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation, known as CCECC, a firm already known in Nigeria for large infrastructure work. Their scope includes complete overhaul and reconstruction of key airport facilities under the supervision of the Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria, FAN. Work is being phased to allow the airport to remain operational throughout construction, and special temporary facilities are built so airlines and passengers can continue to use the international airport. Now for the timeline and the construction. This construction and preparation approval came in early 2025. Plans finalized and budget approved by Fed. Funding source from the Renewed Hope Infrastructure Development Fund, avoiding direct borrowing or budget cuts elsewhere. Phase 1, which is the temporary terminal. The temporary passenger terminal, approximately 8,000 square meter, nearing completion, designed to handle 1,500 departing passengers and keep operations running while main work continues. For the main construction, full reconstruction of Terminal 1 and expansion of Terminal 2 began after site setup in 2025. Contractor prepared temporary facilities and relocated operation, part of a planned early delay to ensure continuity. For the completion target, 22-month execution period for core works was approved, aiming for late 2026 to early 2027 completion. Now for the challenges that are being faced. No mega infrastructure project is without challenges. For aging infrastructure, Terminal 1 had decades of deferred maintenance before rebuild, requiring extensive demolition back to structural core. The operation and continuity, they are trying to keep flights running during construction, which requires staged demolition and temporary facility, adding complexity and time. For the public and people's narration, some group criticized the cost and timing, arguing that the funds could be used for other national needs, while others support the investment as a long-term infrastructure. But what does it actually mean for Nigeria? This airport development is more than bricks and concrete. It's about national competitiveness and global connectivity. For boosted air travel experience, longer queues and outdated facilities will be replaced with modern terminals, more comfortable check-in, security, and transit facilities. Economic impact: increased customer throughput, boost and commercial revenue. More flights, airlines, and passengers means more job and revenue for Nigeria. For the global perception, modern airport infrastructure sends a strong signal to investors, tourists, and global partners that Nigeria is open for business. Let's talk about the future look and what could happen. When the Murtala Mohammed International Airport is done, Lagos will have one of the West African most modern international airports. The expansion of apron areas and terminals will allow more flights and bigger jets to operate with better efficiency. This project also set a precedent for similar upgrades at other major airports in Nigeria. More work has already been approved across the aviation network, signaling a wider transformation of Nigerian air transport system. The reconstruction and upgrade of the Murtala Mohammed International Airport is an ambitious, expensive, and highly strategic project, one that could reshape Nigeria's role as a key aviation hub in Africa. From outdated infrastructure to a modern international gateway, this project demonstrates that improving connectivity can unlock economic growth and global participation and national pride. If you want, I could actually go into the construction site and ask questions from the engineers, but my name is Emmanuel and this is the end of today's video. See you on the next one.